Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey. If you're new, today's video I'm going to be talking about this stuff. This has gone quite viral on TikTok because it is the Rose and Caramel Purity XL 60 second self tan remover. This removes fake tan in 60 seconds. So I did do a video on TikTok and it was alright, but not the easiest to show you. So because I use a facial tanner, I get a build up underneath my neck. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. I really hope that you can. If not, I'll adjust the settings in post. But I get like this sort of build up under here. I don't know how. It's weird. It doesn't happen on the rest of my face. I clean my neck the same way I clean my face, so it technically should wear off the same, but it doesn't seem to. So I figured that we would use, although this is going to be a bit awkward, we would use it on this today. So this is what it looks like. Let me just show you in the tub. It smells quite fresh. It's a scrub, and yeah, we're just gonna do this. So I'm gonna apply it. You don't need a massive amount of it. So I actually got this stuff and I liked it, so I got it to stock in my salon. They say to obviously use it like a scrub, let it sit, and then wash it off. You can wash it, like jump in the bath if it's like your whole body or lots of parts of your body, and then obviously you'll be ready for reapplication of your tan. They do actually do fake tan as well. We're just going to leave that to sit and let it do its thing. So for a tub this size, which is 200 ml, it's $19.99. I think the 500 ml, is it 500 ml, is like $29.99. I'm not 100% sure. I'll put in the price how much it costs. I already see it sort of like lifting. They do say to use an exfoliating like mitt. I don't have one, so I'm just going to use a flannel. You can see it's red where I've rubbed it, but it's like pale and red, and you can see it on the cloth. Let me show you. You can actually see the tan, like the dirty marks on the cloth. Okay, I'm going to let the redness go away. It's still a little bit pink, but you can see it's completely gone. Like there was like a brown mark there, and now there isn't. And that's the kind of stuff I get, like, so build up like in the crooks of your arms and like your elbows. I get them sort of like around here, just where my pits are. Sometimes I can get it on my chest, in the middle of my chest. I get it there. I can get it sort of like round by my ears. My hands will be like, they'll grab onto colour sometimes just in places. Wrists, anywhere, like if you've got jewellery or anything like that. Watch is a big one. If you've got a watch on, then you'll tend to find it'll gather underneath. So that's what it's perfect for. So you can see that it's calmed down a wee bit. So yeah, I'm a red person. You get that sort of scaly appearance with your tan when your tan is wearing off and you really need to scrub it. This will save you the job. You basically have to put it on, leave it, and then wipe it off, or jump in the shower or whatever and just wash it off. That's pretty much it. Obviously, if this video was helpful, then share it with your friends. If you are looking for a tan remover, I would definitely say I was really surprised by this one. And obviously, if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Bye.